This might be the intro. But now these niggas think that I'm weak. I smoke motherfucking kush. You don't even gotta speak. My niggas smoking. My niggas toting. I'm swallowing the fucking kush. Y'all niggas choking on it. AK-47 niggas know I got that money, nigga. I just fucked your bitch and after that I hit my Dougie.
Fucking head.
Hit my
Guys
fucking
got a big
Dougie
fucking
like
head.
it ain't tomorrow. Ask a bitch that she got some pussy I could borrow. Hit that money, I get that nigga. That problem is wig and I split that. Okay, nigga. And I'm like DJ Quick, just the way I quit that. Hit it with finesse. Niggas know that I'm the best. Nigga, do I got great hair, motherfucker? Do it look like this nigga stress? Hell no, these niggas already know that I got bitches and I got niggas already. What the fuck you doing? What the fuck I'm doing? Count money up. Any nigga got a problem, nigga, let it go and solve them.